welcome back to the channel again, guys. In this video, we're working on the Subaru XV 2-litre diesel 2016, and if your engine management light is on and the car's going into limp mode, and if you're getting P0122, I don't know if you guys can see it, let's have a look. Okay, if you're getting this, and like I said, the car's probably in limp mode, maybe not, maybe it is, maybe it's intermittent. I'm going to show you where the sensor is, in other words, and what you can do. So before you start spending any money, so you've got sensor A and B. Sensor A is this one here, and sensor B is this one here as well. I don't know if you can see my finger, but A is to do with this one. So it's that sensor there. Well, it's this mechanical component here, which is a throttle body, which kind of, when you press down on the accelerator, it opens up. Long story short, before you start spending money, if you're handy, if you ask me, I would take it off, and sometimes the throttle in there gets stuck, so it doesn't open, and it's the soot or the ash, should we say, something just kind of clogs onto the ends and it doesn't flip open. Rip it open, clean it with some electrical conduct, like product sprayer, and then put it back. Hopefully this will work. Obviously, if it doesn't work, then you'll need a new throttle body, which I would recommend OEM, not aftermarket. And it's just a case of really plug and play, but you will need a diagnostic machine like this one, something similar, to kind of reset the adaptions and just kind of clear the fault code. Otherwise, your engine management light will still be on. I know it's not easy. It's behind here. You probably have to take off the manifold here and get to it. But in our case, everything's sorted, done. I know this isn't a video of showing you how to remove bits, but it's just this one here. And OEM is the best option, guys. And then you just kind of do a clear fault code memory, and jobs are good.